Hi, I'm Jody Ashendorf with Koff Hunter Haas Realtors. I want to welcome you to our newest listing at 1144 East Rookwood Drive in the Hyde Park area. Let's go in and take a look. This floor plan is wide open, which allows for any number of furniture placements and entertaining options. This kitchen is phenomenal. You have the expansive granite island with seating for 5. The Thermador induction cooktop. I don't cook much, but if you do, this is awesome. You've got the double ovens and the microwave, and of course the built-in espresso maker with integrated water supply for almost instant coffee in the morning. And this has got to be the largest refrigerator I have ever seen. This home has 4 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, but wait until you see this master. It has a full stand-up frameless shower, dual vanities with custom cabinetry, and wait for it, we're getting to the closet area. Look at this closet. There is room for everything. NCAA watch parties and Super Bowl parties will never be the same. This room is huge. The last part of this house is this fabulous guest suite. You have a 2,000 square feet aggregate patio, large enough for multiple seating groups, and a grill. There's a stone staircase leading directly to Edwards. Hyde Park Square is a mere few blocks away. And for more information, or if you'd like a personal tour, you can call me directly.